Geez. Okay. Question 7 says that we need to record the path of a drunk pirate who seems that he's turning in random directions, stumbling around, turning, stepping, turning, stepping, turning, stepping. And then she recorded us, this social science student recorded for us all the angles, and gave it to us right there in this handily formatted set of numbers here. And then we need to go ahead and use those angles to draw the path that pirate took. So we need to do our regular stuff. So set up turtle junk. We know what that means by now, but we'll leave that message there for us real quick, and then we'll come back and do it later. And then we need what we need to do here. We need to make the turns and step forward 100 units for each. Alright, so let's go ahead and set up the turtle junk, as I've so eloquently put it. Import turtle. And get rid of that message there so it doesn't embarrass us in our finished code. We need to import turtle. We need to make a window so that we can actually draw all of this. So we say, hey, turtle module, get me a screen. Please make sure that you include these parentheses at the end here in order to actually call the actual function that gets us a screen. And then we need to make a turtle. What should we call our turtle? I mean, I have a naming convention I like, but we'll go ahead and call this one Blackbeard. Black shell. Yeah. Yes, I like that. Alright, so Black Shell the turtle. Black Shell, the infamous turtle pirate, to get created here. So we say, hey, turtle module dot, which means get me a turtle object, please. Name him Black Shell. We'll set his color. We'll set his color as well, so he can appropriately named here. We'll color to black. There we go. Alright, so then I need to make the turns, step forward for each one. Well, you should see immediately, I hope you should see immediately that this is a place where a for loop would be useful, because what are we doing here? Well, if we're looking at the list of numbers that our friend here gave us, we say, okay, well, we know Black Shell needs to turn to the left 160, and then he needs to go forward by 100, and then he needs to turn left by negative 43, which is actually going to turn him right, and then have him go forward by 100 again. So let me just copy that down here. And you know that anytime you're copying code, you're writing the same code a bunch. It's time for a for loop, right? It's time for iteration of some sort. It's time for a loop of some sort. And we know we can use a for loop to do that. So our friend has helpfully given us a list of angles here that he walked. So we're going to create that list of angles. Not angels, of angles. And we're going to call it angles equals a list. And inside that list, we're just going to grab these numbers. These are integers, positive and negative integers, and we can use them inside of a list in order to just iterate through that list. So turning for each walking forward 100. There we go. So we need to iterate through the list, turning for each angle, and walking forward 100 units for each. Let's do it. For angle in angles, Black Shell needs to turn to the left. How much? The current angle. So the angle here represents the current angle. So we say Black Shell turn left by the current angle that you've got. And then Black Shell, go ahead and walk forward for us 100 space. Save it. Run it. Whoa. A pirate stumbled all the way off the map, but we got an end result that is probably what we're looking for. So we got it. Let's see. We have an official answer here from Launch Code. Let's see if their answer looks similar to ours. I want you to take a look at this. So their turtle does not walk off the edge like our turtle does. Now why is that? Take a look at their code. They imported turtle, they made a screen, they made a turtle, and then they said, "Hey turtle, move forward a little bit so that the whole path that the pirate walked can fit on the screen." So they picked up the turtle's pin, they moved it forward 60 units, they put the pin back down, and then they iterated through that angle list that we made, turned left, went forward each time. So as an end result, they got their whole turtle on the screen there. We didn't, but technically we still fulfilled the letter of what this was asking us to do. So there we go. There's your elegantly reconstructed drunken pirate path.